Hello, assalamu alaikum. How is everyone doing? Can everyone hear me? If you can hear me, can you type one in the chat box? And if you can see me as well. Okay, anyone who can hear me, please type one in the chat box so that we can, get started if you can hear me correctly. Okay, so I think we are visible and being heard. So I welcome you all to a business overview by Trendvest Consultancy. So today we're gonna talk about two things. One is the business itself, and we're gonna talk about the challenge that we bring for people to make money and have another source of income through which you can differentiate between your main income and your passive income. So yeah, so I welcome you all to the $500 challenge by Trendvest Consultancy. So a little bit about the challenge, and I'm gonna go forward with, and I'm gonna tell about the company, the services that we provide, what we're doing. We had a previous challenge. I'm sure if you've not heard about it, we had a challenge called the $100 challenge before the $500 challenge. The results on those, what gains that we make, what did we learn, and why did we came up with an idea to bump up the equity and make sure that people come in and not just get in with $100, but now they can come in and get in with $500, because in this industry a lot of money is being made, but at first there must be a start as well. So I welcome you all to Invest Consistency, and I'm sure that if hear what I'm going to say right now, and we're having a seminar tomorrow at Chai Junction, Lahore as well. So I think the timings is from 5 p.m. till 8 p.m. So yeah, fingers crossed for this whole weekend that we're having, and it is going to be very very amazing, because we want to end the year uh, with the best monetary value as possible. So yeah. So first thing is the about that, who we are, what do we do. Then I'm gonna go towards the challenge. I'm gonna talk about the $100 challenge first. Then I'm gonna talk about the $500 challenge, and then we have our method of compounding. That how we are going to take the challenge, how we're gonna review it. Then I'm gonna go with the results. What results did we have the previous challenge, and the results that we were having before the challenge even started. So yeah, we're gonna discuss on it. So yeah, so about the company itself. So Trendvest was basically founded in 2019. We have four directors. We're gonna I'm gonna tell about the directors in the slides forward. But we made Trendvest because we wanted to bridge the gap between financial education and the general public, because there's a good misconception that people are afraid of finances, they're afraid of numbers, they're afraid of financial avenues where money can be made and it is a good source of income. So if you're already working on something and you want to earn something good, you want to earn a new source of income, which can be done through online, which can be done through a through an internet connection, through a smartphone device, through a laptop. So this is the type of avenues that I'm talking about. Investing, trading, buying and selling. Whatever we're gonna do, I'm gonna talk about it in the later half of this presentation. But we wanted to make sure that Trendvest actually bridges the gap. We create few styles and few income streams apart from apart from what people usually do. So nothing related to their jobs or their businesses. So this is entirely something different, and a way to make money just by having an internet connection. So yeah, in at the start of 2022, we formally converted it into a company, and we started with our education, with our services, with our consultancy services, so that people can actually people who are actually coming to us can benefit in terms of monetary value as well. So yeah, so that is about Trendvest as a company. So yeah, this is the team. I'm myself Mohammed Asham. I am the business development officer over here. We have Haris, the co-founder and CEO. We have Umar Zuhur, who is the founder and the COO, and we have Mr. Zella, who is the chief marketing officer. And these are the four directors who are currently running the company. And we are, based in DHA Phase One. So if you ever want to pop up in the office, you may do so. So yeah, so this is the team. Now on to our services. Now Trendvest provides these four services because we excel in these services to be able to provide the best type of education, the best type of consultancy, the best type of mentorship. So we developed our own educational courses through which we teach people in the different avenues available for investing. So if whether it is stocks, foreign exchange, crypto, the local currency markets, or the local financial markets, we are basically providing consultancy in every single thing. And we have separate webinars and seminars directed to these causes as well. So we're having pure seminars just for people to learn about what stocks is. So yeah, so you can take an idea that we're having these seminars, webinars almost bi-weekly or some weekly, where when we like to do when we people are asking about how they want to get in, how they want to join in, how they want to get people in towards this business. Because this just if I just give an example, so we all know about foreign exchange, right? Forex, which is the small abbreviated version of it. So every day turnover for the foreign exchange market is for $9 trillion. Now that is not a million, that is not a billion, it is 9 trillion. So if $9 trillion are changing hands every single day, then you must realize that this is the potential that it brings into this market and what you can do with it. So we also have incubator services, where we provide a like-minded environment where people can come in, traders can come in, they can trade, they can educate themselves, they can learn about new things, new styles, new avenues. We also provide a mentorship program where we, teach upon managements, strategy selections, risks, and we teach every single thing in our mentorship program that makes you a person who is separate from a normal person in terms of trading and investing. So yeah, these are the services. Now on towards the $500 challenge. Before the $500 challenge, I want to talk about the $100 challenge. So before the $500 challenge, we had the $100 challenge. Now the $100 challenge was basically that you would invest and deposit $100 in your account, and then you would be able to trade on it. Now any person who has the highest equity at the end of the month would actually get a prize of $3,000, and we had runners up and a third prize for $1,000 and $500. Now that $100 challenge was for a month's time, and people made very, very good money. I'm talking that we personally we were directing one session in trading, so we actually experienced a good 27% gain while risking 5%. So if you calculate the numbers, 26% over 5%, that is a very huge gain. And we are now going to bump up because we experienced that $100, yeah, it's good, but to make more money, you gotta invest more money. So yeah, so more time, more money is going to be required. So we came up with $500 challenge because people were asking for more. Now if you're going to ask for more, we're going to give more, because that is how we are as a company. So we have now initiated the $500 challenge, which is going to start by the 14th, I guess, which is Monday. And you are supposed to join in, and we are going to direct one session with you guys, which is going to be the New York session, and then the rest is going to be your is going to be your trading. So yeah, so it is going to be a company directed challenge, just so traders and traders who are coming up, who are new, they can join, and they can invest $500 and make a good amount of money out of it. So what you have to do is you have to deposit initial balance of $500. We are going to actually tell you where you guys have to deposit, and where you can sign up so that we can get you onto the leaderboard, and then we can measure that what type of trading that you are doing. So we have limited slots available till 14th. If you are joining at the 15th or the 16th, the result guarantee would not be as accurate as I'm telling you right now, because every day counts. Now if you miss out on a day, then it reduces the percentage. If you miss out on a week, then you can expect the type of results by missing out on a week. So 14th November, mark your dates. Now why do you want to proceed? Now imagine that you're invested $500. Now what is the gain in it? So every day, I'm going to talk about the style that we're going to trade with, which is going to be the next slide. So every day we're expecting a 3 to 5% gain, because that is how we are going to trade, and then this is directed by us. So 3 to 5% gain every single day, and we're going to manage risk by 5%. Now that risk is going to be compounded and change, same for the gains. So we're going to have this challenge for 1 month, and we're expecting a good 20-25% increase in the gains, because that is what we experienced with the $100, and we're going to move it as it is forward. So yeah, so compounding in trade is going to be our main measuring tool, because we want to compound our money. So for example, we have $500 and we risked 5% just to get a gain of 3 or 5%. Now as we keep on increasing the gains, the risk is going to be as minimal as possible, and we're going to focus on adjusting the risk as we go on towards making more money. So for example, from $500 you made $600. Now those that risk of 5% will actually be adjusted towards getting towards $600 and then more. So now your risk from $500 has now changed towards $600. So that 5% will actually reduce to 3, 4, 2, and then we're gonna actually move towards getting towards the no risk area as well. So we're gonna compound, and we're gonna provide every single person with the data and the sheets that this is how much you put in, this is how much you're gonna trade, this is how much you're gonna put the lot size in, this is how much your TP is going to be, this is how much your stop loss is going to be. So we're gonna direct every single thing into making sure that people trade with us and they make money with us at the same time. So these are the results. Now I was talking that we had the results for the $100 challenge and the results prior. So we had the challenge for October. We have not actually formally have the calculation for the $100 challenge, but these are the results for the 6 months and the 3 months prior. So the whole 3 quarters of the year, you can see the results on your own on your screen right now. That from the start of January we had 15, we had 17 in February, 21. We had a little bit drawdown in the 18% of April, but we bumped it back up to 22% in May. We had a slight downside by the June. But as you can see, the third quarter, where the markets are most active, and the market is going to be the most active in the fourth quarter as well. So July, August, September, crazy gains. Okay, now that is with aggressive risk management, and we applied the same type of risk management in the $100 challenge as well. So in the $100 challenge, we had a good 26% gain with the $100. So you can expect that we're going to replicate the same amount of risk management, the same amount of account management, the same amount of trading with the $500 challenge. Now that 26% was actually done by us. Okay, so when we direct the trades, that is the calculation by us, that on the $100 challenge we made 26%. But $500 is going to be different, and people who joined with us, people who were traders, people who were not even traders, they made actually more than 26%. We're gonna announce the winners of the $100 challenge tomorrow on the seminar, and we're gonna give out the prizes them over there as well. So we're gonna explain that they made a lot more than 26%. So that which led them towards winning the whole challenge as well. So it's not that they just won based off 26%. They made a lot more than 26%. I still remember that we had the challenge running for 2 weeks, and someone was already at 33%, which was very crazy, because it's a full-on fair competition and everyone has a good chance of winning. So yeah, these are the results. You can expect that we're going to target roughly around 30-35% with the $500, which is, if you ask me, $500 and a 33% gain in a single month, that is crazy. Not even the banks or any financial innovation can actually get you that much return in one single month, while keeping risk at a minimum. So that says a lot, if you know that what type of calculations I'm talking about. So yeah, now time to say the most important things that you all been waiting for. So $500, okay, $500 deposit. At the end of the month, anyone who has the highest amount of equity, the highest amount of balance, is going to get $10,000 as a trading account. You can trade with it, you can withdraw it, you can make more money with it. If you're smart, you're gonna make 10,000 into 20,000. Okay, that's the first prize. Then we have the second prize for $5,000, and third prize of $3,000. In the $100 challenge, we had $3,000 as the first prize, second prize of $1,000, and the third prize of $500. Now we bumped up towards 3x. So we just multiplied the first prize by 3, and we said, let's just give a $10,000 account to anyone who comes up first, because that's what they deserve. $500 is someone depositing and they are making money on it. So it is our good. It's a good fair competition. People need to make more. So $10,000 is the first prize. Second prize is the $5,000, and third prize is $3,000. So yeah, these are the prizes for the challenge, which we will be announcing by the start of January 2023. So you better pray that you make it out and you actually won $10,000, because $10,000 is a lot of money, especially if you're living in Pakistan. The dollar rate is increasing day by day, so it's more money day by day. So yeah, very important. We're going to discuss some policies and rules that we are going to direct, because this is investing. You are investing your money. You're investing more money so that you can make more money. So yeah, leverage trading carries high risk, so please follow good risk management. We are also going to direct the risk management for anyone who is new, and they can follow our strategies. So starts are available till the 14th of November, and everyone can participate in this challenge. It does not matter that whether you're a beginner, whether you're advanced, because you're gonna learn as you start doing it. So once you start doing it, you're gonna start making money at the same time, and then we can provide with the right education. We can promote you in terms of what you want to learn, what do you want to what do you want to be excelled at. So last thing, past profits do not guarantee future profits. Okay, we've made steady gains, but that does not entirely say that it is going to be peer perfect. Okay, we do not say that it is going to be 30% as a guarantee. Okay, it can be 29. So you cannot withhold us that this was the type of gains that you promised, because we do not promise anything. It is just based on speculation and what it is possible. So past profits do not guarantee future profits, and it is a fair competition. You're supposed to learn in it. Money comes and goes, but the skill remains. Okay, so these were the few policies and rules that were to be discussed. Lastly, I would like to conclude that Trendvest is a education company. Okay, it provides you with education, with consultancy, with opportunities that you can make money off of. Now, you don't want to be in a situation where you don't do anything, because in this world, the world that we're living in right now, we're entering into a recession. There's global crisis, there's wars going around, so every money counts. Okay, every dollar counts. So I would recommend that get on towards having new skills, having new ways to make money, because that is how the world operates, if you want to be ahead of every single one. So yeah, that is going to be it with the webinar. I've announced earlier as well that we're going to be having a seminar tomorrow at Chai Junction, Gulberg. It is, I'm sure it is a very, very famous spot. You guys would already know about it. We're having it from 5 to 8 p.m. We're gonna have the whole seminar. You get to meet the team. You get to meet me. You get to meet the directors. You get people to actually get into words. How to start, how to deposit. We're gonna having people there to set up your accounts, set up your account, set up your management, and have you done and ready uh, for Monday. So yeah, we're gonna see you tomorrow. The food is on us, so uh, pull up, and then we can have a chat. We can have how to join. We can have food together, and we can have a good time, and then we can socialize as well. So yeah, have a good day, have a great night, and we're gonna see you tomorrow. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.